Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate return on investment in Excel. Calculating ROI in Excel allows you to easily assess the profitability of your investments and make informed financial decisions with accurate, organized data. So let's start the video. So this is our Excel spreadsheet. It contains data in two columns. One is cost of investment, which is the initial cost, and the other one is net income. In the third column, we have to calculate return on investment. The formula for ROI is net income minus cost of investment, then divide it by cost of investment. In Excel, click on the cell C2 and type in the following formula. Here B2 is the net income and A2 is the investment cost. After typing the formula, press enter. Excel will now calculate the ROI for you. In this case, the ROI is 1. To convert it to percentage, select it and then click on Home tab in the Excel ribbon, and then in the number section, click on percentage icon. So this is the return of investment in percentage. Now click on the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it down to fill the rest of the column with the formula. So that's how to calculate return on investment ROI in Excel. Thanks for watching.